Hi everyone, my name is Rosemary, founder of Techable, Assistive Technology. When I provide an assessment to my clients who are in schools, I often introduce Quizlet, which can assist them studying for their classes. Quizlet is a free online application which allows a user to create flashcards in electronic format. And Quizlet also provides a free app which a user can download and use on a mobile phone. So with the Quizlet app, a user is able to create, edit, and study the flashcards from a mobile device. Okay, let me show you how to use it. Let's get started. Let me open up web browser and go to Quizlet website, which is quizlet.com. You can sign up using your Google or Facebook account, or if you don't have Google or Facebook account, you can sign up just by putting a few information. I've already have an account linked with my Google, so I'm going to click login with Google, and then I'm going to choose my techable.com Google account. So this is what you will see when you log into Quizlet. And then let me start with making a new set of flashcards. So to create new set of flashcard, I need to click this button, which says create. And then here, I need to type title for this new study set. So I'll just put sample. And then if you want to put some description for this study set, you can type here. And if you scroll down, this will be the first card. So the term, I'll just put, let me see, terminate. And then as the language, I'll choose English. And then same here, it says choose language. I'll choose English. So for the term, I put terminate, and then for the definition, I'll choose from what Quizlet suggested. So to bring to an end. So when I type the term, Quizlet search through website and then try to give me some choices that I can choose for the definition. You can either choose from the suggestions or you can type your own definition there. Okay, and then on the second card, let me type smartphone. And then again, under definition, it gives me some choice. So I'll just choose the first one. And in the Quizlet, I can also insert image for each card. So I click, okay, here in the definition, I like to, if I want to insert an image, I click image. And then it searches images for the term that I input. So it already searched for the images for the smartphone. If that's not the image you want, then you can select and then type the image name here, so it can search for that. But for now, I'll just choose from here. So as you can see, if I choose it, it will place that image on the back of card, which is definition part. Okay, so each card you can put terms definition, and then if you scroll down, after card number 5, there is add card button. So if I want to add more cards, I can click here, and then I can just click and add as many cards as I want. Okay, So after I put all the information, I can click this create button. And then it's gonna create the card set. If I click Quizlet at the top of this window, it will always take me to the main page. And then if you look at the left-hand side on the side menu, there is a button for sets. So if I click, it will display all the card sets that I've made. So as you can see, this is the one I just created, and then some other card sets that I've made previously. So let's look at the card set that I just created. So it shows the card set that I just created. And then if you want to study this card set, you need to click the flashcards on the side menu. And then it shows the cards. And if I click inside this card, it will flip the card and then show me the definition and then terms, so I can flip it and I can go to next card by click here, and then it will go to the next card definition and then terms. But if you want to see the term first, then here on the left hand side there is options button. So if you click it, under answer with, you can change it to definition. So you will see the term first, and then you need to answer with the definition. So after you choose that, I'll just click start over, or you can just exit out. And as you can see here, it now shows the term first. And then if I click inside the card, it will flip, shows the definition. I can move by click next card and then term, definition with the image that I inserted. Okay, and let me go back. And the feature that's very useful in the Quizlet is this test feature. With this, I can create a test. Actually, let me use another card set which has more cards to show how this test feature works. So I'm going to click the Quizlet to get to the main page. And then on the left hand side, I'll click sets to see all the card sets that I've created previously. I'm gonna use this example card set which has 15 cards. For this one, all I did was each card I put like term 1, definition 1, and the second card I put term 2, definition 2 up to term 15 and definition 15 to just show you how the features, the test features work. So with this card, let me click this test button on the side menu. And then it just shows test. But if you use this options button, I'm gonna click, I can choose what types of tests I want to create, such as written test, matching, multiple choice, and true and false. And then I can also choose, okay, I like to answer with term, or I like to answer with definition. So I'll just leave it as term. And then if I click create new test, it's gonna create a new test based on what I choose from the options. So as you can see here, this is the written type questions. So I just need to type answer here. And then matching questions. So I put the letters that's correct for each of the matching questions. And then multiple choice question and true false questions. So 4 different types of questions that I can choose from. Okay. And let me go back. And then as you can see here on the left hand side, the side menu, you can also play a couple simple games to learn the card sets. So for example, the match game. And then I'm gonna start game. What I need to do is I need to bring, let me see, the right term to right definition. So if I match the correct term and definition, the cards will disappear. So you need to match all the cards to study and finish this game. Okay, let me go back. And then another game is gravity game. So if I click gravity game and then click get started. With gravity game, I first need to choose from the options if I want to answer with term or definition. So if I choose term, then it will show definition and I need to type term and then vice versa. So I'll just leave it as answer with term, and then I'm gonna make it easy and then click start. So it shows definition 14, so I'm gonna type the one that matches, and then that's how you play game. Okay, I'm gonna go back, and these are very simple games, but just different ways to study the card sets. So I think it's very good features. And then I'm going to click Quizlet again to get to the main window. And what I found very useful with this program is the search feature. So with search, I can search through the card sets which are created by other people, and I can select and modify and use one of the card sets. So for example, when my son was studying for the spelling bee, I searched different sets of spelling bee card sets which are created by other people. So I'm going to type spelling bee and then 4th grade maybe. Okay, and then I can search. And as you can see here, there are many card sets that's created by other people, and that it includes different numbers of cards. So this first one has 102 terms, and then some of them also include pictures. So I can go through this different card sets, and then if I think one card set is useful, then I can choose it. And then if I scroll down, I can see all the card sets that's included in this set. So in here, if I think, okay, I like to use this set, then what I can do is among this button, there is one called customize, the second one. So I click this, and then I can change the title. So I'm gonna just change it to spelling bee, fourth grade. And then I can just go through each of this card, and then if I don't need some of them, then I can just delete it by clicking this delete card button. And then I can also click the term or definition, and then I can modify it. And I can add image if I want to add image to this card. And if I go all the way down, I can also add more card by click this add button, add card button. I'm gonna delete this. So after I modify this set, and then I can just click this create button. Then it creates the card set. So I'm going to click Quizlet to go back to the main page. And then if I click sets, I can see the one that I just created by using the set that was created by other person. And I can organize the card sets by creating folders and putting card sets into different folders. So if you look at the side menu, there is button called folders. Then here under folders, there is button called create a folder. So I can click this and then give a new folder name. Let me make one folder called children, and then create folder. And then, so after I created, you can see under folders, there is one folder called children. I'm gonna create another folder. So I'm gonna click create a folder. And then this one, I'll just call it work. And then click create folder. So under folders, now you can see two folders, one called work, one called children are created. To place card sets into this folder, what you need to do is click the folder that I like to put my card sets. So I'm gonna click children, and then up here, you can see there is a button called Add Set. So I'm going to click this button. And then from this pop-up window, I need to choose the card set that I like to place under this folder. So I'm going to click the spelling bee one by clicking here, plus, and then let me just put the sample also in here. So after I choose the card sets, I just need to exit out. And then as you can see under the children folder, I just placed two card sets that I created. As I mentioned at the introduction, Quizlet also provides a free app which a user can download and use on mobile devices. And it's for both iOS and Android devices. So this is the Quizlet app. Let me open. And then I'm going to log in using the same account, the Google account that I've used on my computer. So I'm gonna click here and then log in with Google. Continue. And then I'm going to select my Techable.at account. Okay, so from the phone, I can see the card sets that I've created. And then also if I scroll down, I can see the 2 folders that I've created. Okay. So I'm gonna click View All for the sets. And then here, again, let me actually choose the sample one. And then from here, I can see the definition. And if I tap in the card, it shows term. But if I scroll down, same as from a computer, there is flashcards button. So if I tap this, I can tap inside the card to flip. And then I can swipe to move to the next one. And then tap inside the card to flip. And again, under this card, there is options button. So I can tap here to change, okay, do I want to see the term first or definition first? So I'm going to select term, and then I'm going to select restart flashcards. So now it shows term first, and if I tap inside the card, it will flip to the definition. And then if I swipe to the left, it will show the next card, term, definition, with the image that I've inserted. So from the phone, I can study the card sets. I'm gonna exit out. And I'm going to go back. And inside the sets, I can also create a new card set by click this add button. So if I press this add button, I can type title and then the term for the first card, definition for the first card, and then the second card. And then here, by clicking this add button, I can add as many cards as I want for this card set. And when I'm done, I just need to click done button to create a card. So using this app, I can create, I can edit the other card sets, and also I can study the flashcard sets. That's all I have for today. Thank you for watching.